are y'all ready to rock your inner cowgirl? I'm Gracie with WTI, and let me show you this 11-piece Western cowgirl accessory set from VillbeCoser. My favorite is this cropped sleeveless vest. I got the medium size, and I just love these little fringes in the front that just move and groove with you. It's made out of a faux suede material, so it's super soft and it's very lightweight. It also has these buttons in the front if you wanted to close it all the way up. So all 11 items come packaged like this, but before you freak out, just like I did, the hat actually straightened itself out over time. So you can adjust the ties on the inside to help fit your head better. And it comes with this little decoration belt to tie all the turquoise accessories together. You have these beautiful dangling earrings, a long rope-like necklace that I personally like to wear as a choker, 4 rings, and a bracelet. And everything just complements your outfit from head to toe. And these super cute heart-shaped glasses and a bandana that adds some extra flair with some retro vibes. I just love this caramel brown color, which ended up matching perfectly with my boots. I just think this is such a cute set for a costume party, and that's my point of view.